Before you travel to the Dominican Republic, there's one important step you need to complete: the Dominican Republic e-ticket. Don't worry, it's completely online, free, and easier than it looks. First, open the link provided in your Romance Travel Group email and head to the official e-ticket website. At the top right corner of the screen, make sure the language is set to English. Then click e-ticket application, followed by new e-ticket. Sometimes, despite being set to English, new e-ticket will say Nuevo e-ticket. Click on it either way. You'll see a quick "I'm not a robot" verification page. Make sure the language is still in English. If you're traveling with family members, change the "Are you traveling with someone else?" from no to yes. Check the "I'm not a robot" box and click Submit. Next, you'll arrive at the General Information page. Fill in the required fields. They're marked with a small red star. If your city doesn't appear in the list, simply choose the city of your departure airport instead. When finished, select Arrival to the Dominican Republic, then click Next. Now you're on the Migratory Information page. Fill out the required information. Choose Yes for staying at a hotel and select your hotel from the list. For flight details, embarkation port is your home airport code. Disembarkation port will always be PUJ for Punta Cana. Select your airline, flight date, and flight number. Travel purpose should be marked as leisure, and for sports activities, simply select None. Helpful reminder: you should complete this form 1 to 3 days before your flight. Next is the Customs Information section. Simply click Next. When asked if anyone helped you complete the form, select No, accept the terms, and when prompted, choose Yes to complete your exit ticket. This final section is for your departure from the Dominican Republic. Here, the information is reversed. Embarkation port is PUJ. Disembarkation port is your home airport. Enter your airline, flight date, and flight number, then click Next. Congratulations, you're almost done. You'll now see 2 QR codes, one for your arrival, one for your departure. At the bottom of the page, click Download PDF and Send by email. We recommend doing both so you have easy access when traveling. The Dominican Republic e-ticket is a required step for all travelers, but once it's completed, you're all set for a smooth arrival and departure. If you have any questions, Romance Travel Group is always here to help.